Okay, so I saw this on TikTok, and we live in the South. We have fire ants, and I just moved some stuff in the garden, and there's a whole fire ant nest. I'm let this water boil, set up my tripod, and apparently boiling water, I have lived in the South for so long. Whew, I've tried every trick. Gasoline will take care of them if you want to put gasoline in your yard. Gasoline will kill a fire ant in a second. But I don't want to waste gasoline. I don't want to spread gasoline in my garden. And this guy, I don't want to put chemicals. I don't want to spend my money on chemicals. So I'm going to try this boiling water. Let me set my tripod up and let's see what happens. Probably going to hurt myself carrying this boiling pot of water outside with these two dogs. But I'm going to be super careful. All right, let's go to the garden. All right, there's the ant hill. I'm going to pour the hot water on it slowly. See if this works. Ooh, that looks like my foot for sure. Gotta get the queen. I soak in for a second. Well, helps if you drop it, I suppose. Alright, we'll come back in a little bit and see if it works. I don't see any activity. Hopefully that works. That'd be cool. It's not supposed to kill your grass. Not like I had any there. Alright, it's been a few hours. Let's see how it worked. Oh, there's still a ton of them. There's a bunch of them dead, but there's a lot. You know, maybe the queen's dead and now they don't know what to do. So I guess I'll check back tomorrow. Alright, so it's been a couple days and all the ants are gone. Look at them all, they're dead. Oh, that's crazy. Those are all dead ants right there. Oh, I should let the chickens have them. I might scoop them up and give them to the chickens. Alright, so boiling water works. It's not totally instantaneous because it took several hours, if not a whole day. Oh, look, those are the ants. Ah! Wow. It's amazing. Well, if you like this video, just hit the subscribe button, the bell for notifications. Leave a thought process down below in the comments about if you have fire ants. I guess this works on any ants, but we have fire ants. And let me know what you think. We'll see you on the next video.